Ever had that sinking feeling when you realize you closed a bill on TouchBistro before adding everything? Maybe a customer came back to add another round, or you forgot to split the check. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Luckily, TouchBistro has a handy feature to reopen those closed bills and get things back on track. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of reopening closed bills on TouchBistro. We'll break down the steps, explain some key things to keep in mind, and even explore some alternative solutions depending on your situation. Now, before we jump in, it's important to remember that reopening a closed bill is meant for situations where you genuinely need to add more items or make adjustments. It's not for voiding payments or refunds. TouchBistro has separate features for those, and we'll touch on that briefly later. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get started. Reopening the bill, a step-by-step guide. First things first, you'll need to be logged in with your admin credentials on TouchBistro. Once you're in, navigate to the admin section and then tap on Bill/Guest Check History. This will show you a list of all your closed bills. Here, you can use the date filters at the top to narrow down your search and find the specific bill you need to reopen. Once you've located the right one, tap on the receipt itself. This will bring up a menu with different options for that particular bill. The magic button we're looking for is Reopen as a tab. Now, a quick heads up before you tap that button. Reopening a bill essentially deletes the original closed bill and any integrated payment information attached to it. This means you won't be able to recover any funds associated with that bill. So only use this feature if you truly need to add more items or make changes. If you're dealing with a payment issue, we'll explore some alternatives later. Assuming you're good to go, tap Reopen as a tab and confirm your choice. Now, head back to the main screen and tap on Orders. There, you'll find a new section called All Bar Tabs. This is where your reopened bill will be waiting for you. Look for the bill with the unseen/unpaid label. Tap on that bill, and voila! You'll see all the original items from the closed bill. Now, you can freely add any additional items the customer may have forgotten or split the check as needed. Once you've finalized everything, you can process the payment just like you would with any other new bill. Alternative solutions. Consider these too. There might be situations where reopening the bill isn't the best course of action. For instance, what if the customer has already paid and left? In that case, you can use TouchBistro's voiding feature to cancel the original bill and create a new one with the correct items. Remember, voiding a payment will affect your sales reports, so make sure you have a valid reason for doing so. Another option is to create a new bill altogether and ring in the additional items the customer forgot. You can then explain the situation to the customer and process the payment separately. Remember, keep your records straight. No matter which method you choose, it's crucial to keep good records of what you're doing. Make a note in the system about why you reopened or voided a bill, and ensure the customer understands any adjustments made. There you have it. Reopening closed bills on TouchBistro is a straightforward process, but it's important to understand the implications before diving in. Remember, use it for genuine adjustments and keep your records clear. For more advanced features or troubleshooting, always refer to the official TouchBistro Help Center or reach out to their support team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy managing.